In GTA 6, NPCs add life to the world with random encounters like civilians witnessing your actions or criminals crossing paths. These moments create a dynamic experience, making the city feel alive and reactive, though not necessarily unpredictable in every detail. In GTA 6, your criminal profile evolves based on choices flipping burgers or pulling off heists. Both shape it without labeling you as good or bad. Unlike Red Dead Redemption 2's honor system, there's no single right path. Your profile adapts to how you play, making every decision feel meaningful yet flexible. Gunplay in GTA 6 ditches auto-aim for manual control, making battles feel more tactical and skill-based. Unlike past titles, you'll aim carefully, drawing a bead on targets and timing shots perfectly. This change mirrors real-world gunplay, rewarding precision over reflexes. Lucia, with her agility, excels in close-quarters combat, while Jason handles firepower, creating a balanced dynamic. In GTA 6, health and focus are core stats that shape your playstyle. Temporary boosts from consumables give quick stamina bursts, while permanent upgrades require side activities like gym workouts. Lucia's smaller health bar demands agility, while Jason's bulk lets him tank damage. This balance rewards strategy over brute force, making every stat feel tied to your character's growth. In GTA 6, your every move is tracked, not just by the police, but by a system that reacts in real time. Crash cams capture your heists or getaways, adding cinematic flair to chaos, while heat indicators paint a detailed wanted level with CCTV footage, witness reports, and even facial recognition. Split up from Lucia, change outfits, or switch weapons to cool down, but the game remembers your face, your car, your style. It's not just about evading cops. It's about leaving no trace, making every chase a puzzle of misdirection. In GTA 6, stealing a car isn't just about hotwiring or smashing a window anymore. It's a puzzle of skill and strategy. Older cars can be unlocked with a simple gem bar, avoiding alarms, but high-end vehicles require key cloners or hijacking them right from the driver. Tow trucks? They're not just for towing. They're part of missions, too. And then there are the corrupt cops, like Menddees, who add layers to your crimes. Every move you make leaves a trail, but with crash cams and heat indicators tracking CCTV footage, witness reports, and even your outfit details. Evading the law becomes a game of misdirection. It's not just about speed. It's about leaving no trace. In GTA 6, your safe house isn't just a place to hide. It's a living, breathing part of the game world. Every light switch you flip, every fridge door you open, or even throwing dog waste at pedestrians adds depth to your character's life simulation. It's these small interactions that make the game feel alive, blending role-playing elements with open-world freedom. For example, choosing between a Blitz Berry smoothie for a quick health boost or working out at the gym to permanently increase your focus stat turns everyday actions into meaningful progression. Lucia and Jason share this space, navigating relatable moments like outfit choices together, making their relationship feel organic and impactful. Meanwhile, the 3D minimap offers customization options, letting you toggle visibility on foot or use a compass, while copyright-free music in the game menu empowers creators to craft unique content. GTA 6's wildlife isn't just background, it's a side activity that rewards players for paying attention. Study squirrels in parks or bison in fields to earn points, blending realism with gameplay. This detail makes the world feel alive, turning simple encounters into meaningful moments. Unlike other games, it's part of GTA 6's emerging ecosystem, where small actions matter and can impact your experience. In GTA 6, the world isn't just reactive, it's intelligent. NPCs don't just walk past. They react to your actions, whether it's robbing a group sex van or holding hands with Lucia. This isn't forced romance. It's optional, evolving naturally based on your choices. The game tracks heat levels through CCTV, outfits, and facial recognition, making every crime leave a trail. But the real magic? It's in the details. Throwing dog waste at pedestrians, studying wildlife for rewards, or choosing between a smoothie boost or gym progress. It's not just about survival. It's about crafting your legacy. Imagine a world where the police aren't just chasing you. They're tracking your every move. In GTA 6, the wanted level system is smarter than ever. 6 stars with heat indicators show how much the cops know about you, from CCTV footage to facial recognition. You can mitigate that heat by changing outfits or wiping cameras, but the game remembers. It's not just about evading, it's about strategy. Every choice leaves a trail, and your skills in driving, shooting, and problem-solving will determine how long you stay free. GTA 6's world isn't just smarter, it's messier. NPCs still drift between lanes, but now those mistakes matter. During police chases, you can target engines, gas tanks, or tires to take out vehicles, turning destruction into a tactical choice. Meanwhile, the AI tracks your heat level through CCTV footage, facial recognition, and even your outfit details. It's not just about evading. It's about strategy. Every move leaves a trail, and the game remembers. GTA 6 isn't just a game, it's proof that open worlds can evolve with AI. Imagine NPCs who react to your crimes, police tracking you through outfits and facial recognition, or wildlife side quests that reward observation. The wanted level system isn't just stars. It's heat management, CCTV, witness reports, all tracking your every move. This is gaming's future, reactive, intelligent, and dynamic. It's not about survival,